Hi guys, today we will see a new feature from the TradingView. We all know that we have this stock screener available with us since many years, which is very basic that here you can only select scans based on technicals and the fundamentals. You can't modify any of your own scans if you want to make it here. And so for that we are using the Pine scripts. But a few days ago, TradingView have released one of its big feature, Stock 2.0. So we'll see that and how to use that according to our dynamic use that we will see. So for that, first we need to go to your profile. So I just open my profile section. If you want to follow me, you can follow me on this Twitter platform or a YouTube platform. Now, to access that Stock 2.0 feature, you need to click on Products, go to Screeners, and there is one highlighted option, Stock 2.0. If you click here, so it will lead you to a new screeners from the trading view. So here you generally see normal few tabs, performance, texture and our valuation wise or a technicals tab. Okay. And the above boxes you can see index, price and all. So if I will give you a general overview, so this screener is a small replacement of a charting scans which you are using. Here you are getting main benefit is that this is a live scan. You can get an live data update if you have already paid for the TradingView subscription. You no need to pay it for your basic dynamic scans to any other tools uh, for a live or a real-time data update. So let's see a little bit of a detail in that how we can use this or how to use for our Indian markets. So if you are from the Indian market, so this is by default already selected as a India market as a India. Okay. Now there is an index option here, but as we are already seeing the Indian stocks, we no need to select. If you wish to select, you can select the different indexes given by the NSE or any other sectors, Nifty IT or a BSE Sensex or so. But first of all, to to eliminate this mutual funds or to eliminate this kind of a NSE and a BSE, both the stocks here, what we need to do, you need to click here the plus button and search here as a exchange. So if you will click as a exchange, so it will give you an option to select an exchange. So we will, if you want to select an NSE or a BSE, you need to go to custom or you can also drill down below. But if you go to custom and type a NSE, I generally scan for NSE stock mainly because there I can see a good volumes. So I will select a NSE here and click on apply. So now you have reduced to 2245 symbols and the all the other extra symbols or which are having a duplicate symbols are gone from here. Okay. So now you have a, a kind of a basic screen you need. So this screen is I think already there in from the normal stock screener provided by TradingView. But what's the extra thing here, right? So let's see that this all the basic feature that market cap, PE, percentage change, that all the things are there, yeah, one or a different way. Okay. But what's the main thing which I experience is that you can make a kind of a charting scan which you are using, right? So what you need to do, if there is a price is already available here, price box, then you can click on that, go to custom. Now let's say for some one of the like basic scan that price should be kind of that we need a some scan that price is closing above a Bollinger Band, upper trend line, upward band or if the price is closing above the RSI 50 or so, like kind of a basic scan or a kind of a EMA crossover or so. Then what we need to do here, like if I need a scan based on a price, then I need to select a price here. Like price should be above or equal to. Suppose if I am select a value, so if I will click a value, so I am I'm getting a few kind of a basics which we are using like Bollinger Band or a SMA or a VWAP or a Ichimoku or a EMA, right? Or a kind of a Fibonacci scans also, or a kind of new high or a new low if you want to. Now let's say suppose I want a scan which is like the price closed above the upper Bollinger Band. So what I need to do, I have already selected price above or equal to, so I need to select the Bollinger Band. Okay, now I want a length. So here as of now we are getting a static length. You are not able to give any dynamic length, but still if you want a real-time data, then it's a one of the good use. So I will select a 20 and the time frame on a which time frame I want to run my scans, 1 day, and now upward band or a lower band, right? So if I will select upper band, if I will click OK here, then now the scans got reduced to, or we can say symbol got reduced to 291 symbols. You can drill down this as a descending or a ascending also, or you can also change the column like move left or a move right, move to the start, move to the end. There are a number of options available. You can always kind of explore the other option, but and also there is an option to change the percentage, like on which time frame you want to check the percentage. Like currently this is showing as a 20%. That is for a day. Or if you want to check for a 1 week, if you will click OK, so it will show you on 1 week how much the stock moved. Okay. By default, we are using the daily, so I'm selecting the daily here. Now the today, so this 291 symbols means that today's price is closed above the upper Bollinger Band. Now there is another option that you can select a beta here if you want a high beta stock or a one and above stock. So if you select also, then again the scan might got reduced. Similar thing, you can select a micro cap, like kind of a market cap. So I will generally select a market cap company more than 3 billion or 2 billion or above. So 200 crore or 300 crore. So again and if you want to add a scans for a volume, you can also add that similar way. If you will select a volume here, average volume or a volume, right? So volume, click on a volume here, go to customs, 1 day volume above, and you can do a 50,000 or anything you can type. Now this can we have applied based on a Bollinger Band and the price. Now suppose if you want to apply a scan that EMA crossover or a SMA crossover or so or a RSI kind of, right? So you can select RSI here, relative strength index. You can directly search the option, or you can go to technicals and then select the whatever the technicals available for your scans. So suppose if I want a moving average crossover, that kind of a golden crossover if I want. So what I need to do, I can directly select the moving average from the here as well. You need to find it that which moving average you need to use. Otherwise you can directly search as a EMA or exponential moving average. So if I will select the exponential moving average, I can get a EMA box, and then I need to go to custom to make my dynamic scan. But by default also they are giving few of your suggestions that EMA above price by 20% or more, or below price 0 to 20%. So if I'll go to custom, so I can get that EMA 51 day. I can select a crosses up or a crosses down, like while it is crossing up or it is already above 50-day moving average or so. So if I will select 50-day moving average is crossing up, kind of again I will select a EMA here, and I will select a 200 here. So it's a golden cross that 50-day moving average crosses up 200-day moving average. If I will select OK, so I can get one stock, Avanti Feeds. So you can go and check this, that if I will open the chart of that, or let's say open up the same chart here. So you can check that how the stocks look like or what. Okay. So as for the basic analysis, that stock is coming out of its stage one and with a good volume also. You can keep in a watch. Okay, according to your risk reward and all. So we are not going on that path as of now, but just to inform, TradingView have just recently announced a new feature of a stock 2.0, which can be a more useful if you are a kind of a TradingView tech savvy user, that you can optimize these scans provided by them for your real time data or a kind of a real time scan. Okay, or the and this we have put a technical scan. The same thing you can put a financial scans also, or we can say dividend type of scan or a financial. You can select here a number of things as a okay as per your convenient or as per your need. But generally, we are only using the scans for our technical uses, right? So, and after that, suppose if you have make one of your scans here, or if you have selected your conditions, so you can save it also here. So you can click save and you can give any name as you want. So I'm giving the name as a Finvestic, and if I click a save, so it will save as my scans. So now if I will come back here in this tab, so I just need to select my name here, Finvestic, my scans. Or and one of the other feature as well, that let me just reset this, that I have a option to export the screen results. So you can export the scan results if you wish to for your further analysis. And by default, they are also giving few of your scans, which are can be a good one. You can explore the scans which are already provided by them, like bullish and undervalued kind. So if I will give as a so by default, so whatever bullish and undervalued scans, they have put a conditions that is automatically coming here. So you can select a technical rating also. And after selecting this all these things, you can check the performance tab to check the stock performance on a weekly, yearly, monthly, or daily, or year to date, or all time also. And also volatility. And there are also technical tab that where you can see all the other technical parameters, oscillator, moving average rating, or technical rating, or you can select that which technical rating you want. Like if I'll do a descending short, so it's a strong buy. So which are the strong buy stocks which I can check also. So this is just a kind of a basic overview of that. You can explore the more and you can see that how you can utilize it according to your need.